Get to know the ladies from one barangay to the other, beginning with candidate number 1.
Tony Rose Gañate, 19, Karibkis! Mariclaire Regis, 19, Hilario!
Please welcome your host, Ancher Cua.
Naimbag, grabe, good evening, panapalakpakan nyo naman inyong mga sarili. Ayan, finally, after years and years of waiting, it's finally here. I am Ancher Cua and I am your very proud show presenter for the grandest evening here in Eastern Ilocos Norte, and yes, for this summer, the Imnas Banna Pageant. Once again, I welcome you all to a night of beauty with glamour, elegance, and everything with the most beautiful things in life. Because with 20 of the most fabulous women of Banna vying for the most coveted crown indeed. And you have just seen them in their production number. Napakaganda ng kanilang performance. Todong-todo rin naman para sa inyong lahat. Well, all of them are really as fierce and determined to take the crown as what we always expect. And what would be more glamorous than to have two of the most outstanding and yes, beautiful women of Banna joining me tonight as co-hosts. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Imnas Banna 2008, Miss Czarina Patricia Taroma, and Imnas Banna 2017, and our very own Miss Ilocos Norte 2018, first runner-up. Give it up for Miss Joanna Yoro.
Good evening, Banna, and good evening to you, Ancher and Czarina. I feel so ecstatic being on stage tonight with these two talented hosts, and the more that I am excited to be with you, my fellow townmates, as we bring you the crowning of the most beautiful woman of Banna this year, 2022.
You are exactly right. Good evening to you, Joanna and Ancher. Good evening as well to the beautiful people of Banna. I am honored to be co-hosting the most anticipated show of the year, the Imnas Banna 2022. Thank you for having us.
Well, indeed, ako rin talaga na-miss ko kayo makasama, especially sa lahat po ng ating mga pinakamamahal na citizens in Banna. And I'm really indeed in good company with these two wonderful women, very intelligent, always elegant and beautiful. And what makes it even more special tonight is that we are live on Facebook in the World Wide Web.
Yes, Ancher, so our fellow kababayans from around the world can now watch our show in real time within the palm of their hands. We are at the official Facebook page of the Imnas Banna.
This is one aspect that makes the show all the more exciting. Technology merges with beauty and creativity to create this one-of-a-kind experience, the Imnas Banna Pageant. Thanks to our creative director, DepEd's asset, and a treasure of our town, Mr. Julian Vicente Jr.
And of course, roughly 2 years after the previous coronation of Imnas Banna 2019 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are here finally celebrating our healing. And with that, our Imnas Banna queens did not hesitate to help our Kailians during the height of the pandemic.
Definitely, our queens have conducted fundraising activities in the community and have drawn attention in helping our fellow Bannatirans. It's absolutely more than glamour and elegance to be an Imnas Banna. It's also what you do off the stage.
Yes, of course, a queen who can make a life-changing initiatives and who can always rise to the occasion. And nobody knows that better than our current Imnas Banna 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Miss Brittany Nicole Ragintin. Good evening, Nicole.
Good evening, Brittany.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Banna. Good evening. Are you excited?
Of course, we are very, very excited, and especially we're very delighted to see you one more time in this grand stage of Banna. Grabe, kumusta? It's been years, ah.
It's been 2 years. Actually, it's going to be 3 years na if hindi pa nila naisipan. Buti na lang naisipan na kasi pressured na po ako. And I'm really excited to turn over the crown na.
At syempre naman, ganyan tayo kamahal ng pinakamamahal natin na mayor. Of course, Carlito Abadilla II, our dearest honorable mayor. Grabe, thank you. And indeed, okay, well, maybe you'll be one of the longest reigning beauty queens in Banna. Kaya naman, what's your memorable experience during your reign?
Actually, my reign has been in 2 years because of the pandemic, and it's really, although Imnas Banna, my crowning moment is still very surreal for me, but it is, I don't really agree that it is the most memorable part of my journey. It is tonight, my last night as your Imnas Banna, because I have proven enough that Imnas Banna isn't just about the glitz and glamour. It is also what an Imnas do to its organization.
That's great. So I know you'll be doing more, but here's the question that you have to answer. Okay, just one more question. I know you'll be answering a lot of questions already before. So what is your future plan after you will turn over the crown?
Imnas Banna has been a great opportunity for me. It's a great responsibility. It's a great platform for me to bring out the best in me. And so, because of that, I am ready to conquer the bigger stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the reason why I have accepted the challenge to represent this beautiful town, Banna, on the upcoming search for Miss Ilocos Norte 2022. Banna, I'm hoping that the love and support that you have given to me during my reign will be the same love and support you will be giving to me as I bring back the power of Panagabos Festival.
All right, indeed. We wish you all the best on your journey. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Imnas Banna 2019, Brittany. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nico.
All right, we are already set to lit the night up. Once again, everyone, give it up for Czarina and of course, Joanna. Maraming salamat. Really miss you guys. Syempre, well, there are a lot of important personalities and individuals who are key figures in selecting this year's Imnas Banna. Well, without them, we wouldn't be able to determine tonight's winner. Well, with their years of experience and credibility in this field, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Board of Jury.
Kayem Ken Kakabsat, let's welcome Mr. Arsenio Gallego.
All the best, dear judges. Maraming salamat for sparing your time. At syempre naman, you're all credible enough to identify the most rightful woman for the crown. And now, let me tell you all about what has been going on in the past weeks. Well, tonight is already the conclusion of a week-long celebration, or of course, a competition, and they have been pushing themselves to the limit ever since. Talagang super effort po sila para sa inyong lahat. Well, the candidates have been very busy rehearsing as they were being groomed to compete in the preliminary events, which were already held in April 2. Well, the preliminaries were divided into different segments: the closed-door interview, the talent competition, and the swimsuit and evening gown competitions. They were judged based on impression, wherein each judge will give the ladies a score ranging from 1 to as high as, of course, 10, and they will compete for the 4 preliminary events, plus another 10 points for beauty and another 10 points for their swimsuit performance tonight. Well, the scores are revealed, and the top 10 highest scores will be revealed after the swimsuit competition this evening. So parang the same format din po tayo, just like the previous pageants. It's really grueling, yet this is the perfect time or opportunity for them to, of course, promote and at the same time pakita ang kanilang makakaya. Well, the 10 ladies with the highest scores will then proceed to the top 10. And in this round, in the top 10, everybody, the semi-finalists will begin again on equal footing, meaning po, back to zero silang lahat, and each of them will be asked a question and they will be judged on the content of their answer and delivery, and will then compete again for the evening gown. So their performance in the Q&A and evening gown, everybody, will make or break their stint to clinch the crown, and they will be judged based on their impression performance from a scale of 1 to 10 once again. Well, 10 being the highest, that will already determine our 5 finalists. And yes, pinakahintay po natin a final round. The scores are again reset, and the finalists will be asked a common question. Well, the judges will rate them 50 points for beauty and another 50 points for intelligence. That'll be in a total of 100 points, and the scores will be added, average and we'll determine who gets the crown of Imnas Banna 2022 right after the break. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be spellbound as 20 candidates, of course, as they sizzle in at the heat of the night for the swimsuit competition.
Candidate number 14, Miss Valenciano. She is Jaden Carissa Agres, 17 years old. She is a STEM student at the Ilocos Norte National High School. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Valenciano.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the candidates for this year's Imnas Banna swimsuit competition. So let us welcome back our 20 gorgeous ladies oozing with so much confidence tonight. How about giving them a round of applause, everybody? So much confidence. Nice. All right, this is getting exciting, my dear friends. It's because we will now be announcing the recipients of all the special awards. Well, let's start with the best performer in the production number.
The best performer in the production number will be awarded by Miss Ilocos Norte 2022 second runner-up, Ada Stone.
Congratulations, our best performer in the production number is candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is Miss Bugatti.
Our next award is the best in production attire.
To award Best in Production Attire, may we request Prishin Mrs. Sibukao, Miss Queen of the North representative of Ilocos Norte.
Best in Production Attire Award goes to candidate number 10.
Candidate number 10 is Miss Valdez.
Right, thank you for being generous with your applause, everyone. Thank you. Now let's start with our set of winners for the Best in Talent. Let's start with the second runner-up.
To award Best in Talent second runner-up, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 fourth runner-up, Nika Gahunera.
Our second runner-up for the Best in Talent Award. Congratulations, candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11 is Miss Maka Yep.
Thank you. Now we have the first runner-up for the Best in Talent.
To award Best in Talent first runner-up, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 first runner-up, Katrina Tumaneng.
You are our first runner for the Best in Talent, candidate number 18.
Candidate number 18 is Miss Lorenzo.
And now, this year's Best in Talent.
To award Best in Talent, may we request Imnas Banna 2019 Brittany Nicole Ragindin.
You prepared for this, so you deserve this award. Best in Talent Award goes to candidate number... I think she's just right behind me. Candidate number 2!
Candidate number 2 is Miss Bugatti.
Congratulations to the winners of our Best in Talent Award, especially to candidate number 2. Now let us know our winners for the Most Photogenic Award, starting with the second runner-up.
To award Most Photogenic second runner-up, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 fourth runner-up, Nika Gahonera. And to hand in the portrait, may we have Mr. Toffee Rivera.
Please claim your award. This year's second runner for the Most Photogenic. Congratulations, candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9 is Miss Marcos.
Congratulations, candidate number 9. Now let us welcome our first runner-up for the Most Photogenic.
To award Most Photogenic first runner-up, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 second runner-up, Zia Isabel de los Trinos. And to hand in the portrait, may we have Mr. Toffee Rivera.
Our first runner-up for the Most Photogenic, please step forward. Candidate number 13.
Candidate number 13 is Miss Bansar.
And now for the candidate who really worked out with the camera, our Most Photogenic.
To award the Most Photogenic, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 third runner-up, Glessa Jane Baluis. And to hand in the portrait, may we request Mr. Toffee Rivera.
This year's Most Photogenic. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1 is Miss Kariki.
Congratulations, candidate number 1 at this year's Most Photogenic. Now let's proceed with the Best in Poise.
To award Best in Poise, may we request Imnas Banna 2018, Janice Agres.
Please step forward. This year's Best in Poise award goes to candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14 is Miss Valenciano.
Congratulations, candidate number 14. Our next award is the Most Articulate.
To award the Most Articulate,
Thank you.
may we have Miss Ilocos Norte 2022, second runner-up, Ada Stone.
All right, as mentioned a while back, we already had the closed door interview last April 2 during the preliminaries. So this time, magkakalaman na po kung sino ang mag-uwi ng Most Articulate. Congratulations! Number. Candidate number 12.
Candidate number 12 is Miss Binakaw.
Congratulations, candidate number 12, or Most Articulate. And now, deemed as the friendliest candidate, let's welcome or announce the recipient of the Miss Congeniality Award.
To award Miss Congeniality, may we have Miss Queen of the North, representative of Ilocos Norte, Christine Mizi Sibukao.
Our Miss Congeniality is candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14 is Miss Valenciano.
Congratulations! Now everyone garnering the most number of votes online or through social media, let us now know or be aware of our Miss Social Media Awardee.
To award Miss Social Media, may we request Miss Ilocos Norte 2022, Brian Makayanan.
Our Miss Social Media, please step forward. Candidate number 17.
Candidate number 17 is Miss Taptabagan.
Congratulations, candidate number 17, this year's Miss Social Media. Well, a while back, just a few minutes ago, you've just witnessed them strut along the stage, everyone. This is our Best in Swimsuit Award.
To award the Best in Swimsuit, may we have Imnas de Banna 2019 first runner-up, Katrina Tumaneng.
Our Best in Swimsuit Award goes to, I'd like to hear numbers from our guests. Sino po ang karapat-dapat mag-receive ng award na to? Alright. Well, let's see if your guesses are right, because this year's Best in Swimsuit is for candidate number... Please come back, candidate number 14!
Candidate number 14 is Miss Valenciano.
One of the most coveted special awards for this evening, the Best in Swimsuit. Congratulations, candidate number 14. And now to conclude our set of special awards, ladies and gentlemen, the Best in Evening Gown, by which everyone, this was also held last April to during the preliminaries.
To award Best in Evening Gown, may we have Imnas de Banna 2019, Brittany Nicole Ragindin.
Everyone, please make way or welcome our Best in Evening Gown awardee. Congratulations! Candidate number... Well, maybe we can do better than that, come on! Well, Best in Evening Gown, congratulations, candidate number 8!
Candidate number 8 is Miss Bumito.
Congratulations to the recipients of our special awards. All right, are you all ready? Ladies and gentlemen, right now, the 10 semifinalists will be revealed, and in no particular order. Kabadong-kabado na sila, oh. The first spot belongs to candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is Miss Bugasi, Helena Rose Agudo.
Still in the competition is candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6 is Miss Katagtagan, Pamela Ann Castillo.
Please claim the third spot, candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8 is Miss Bumito, Pearl Jemima Parawan.
Everybody make way for candidate number 10.
Candidate number 10 is Miss Valdez, Colleen Jasmine Sago.
Let us welcome candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11 is Miss Makayapiep, Felime Ramirez.
Your prayers have been answered. Candidate number 12.
Candidate number 12 is Miss Binakag, Claire Ashley Juan.
Only 4 spots remaining, and one of which is for candidate number... You guessed it right. Number 13.
Candidate number 13 is Miss Bangsa, Jamaica Pearl Kiawi.
All right. So I may have to ask our semifinalists to please join me here at the right side, just a little bit, to give way for our other semifinalist, because we'll be giving her a round of applause for entering the top 10. Candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14 is Miss Valenciano, Jaden Carissa Agres.
Only 2 spots left. The 9th spot is yours, candidate number 17.
Candidate number 17 is Miss Tabtabagan, Denisa May Kalinganan.
And just like what we always say to the other 10 candidates, all of you, really did your best. And please know that your family and friends are very proud of you, especially your dear kabarangays. To complete our circle of 10, the last spot belongs to candidate number 18.
Candidate number 18 is Miss Lorenzo, Sheila Joy Mangoma.
There you have them, Banna, our 10 semi-finalists. Congratulations, ladies, for a job well done. You all look stunning and have come this far, but you still have to hurdle the question and answer portion in the semi-final round, which will be happening right now. You ready? Because I'm always ready to give you the question for you to answer. All right, let's begin with finalist number 1, candidate number 2. Oh, you may have to hand in your awards to our production staff. All right. Okay then. Skip ang pag-good luck ang trophies. Now, joining me here tonight is our very Ilocos Norte second runner-up, hailing from Banna, Miss Ada Stone. Congratulations once again. Let's all get vaccinated. I'm very sure. Oh, speaking of vaccination, we'd like to remind you all that everybody here has been fully vaccinated, well, including me, of course. It's really important these days. Hi. All right. How are you? One of the most decorated candidates for tonight. Okay, so syempre, pasalamatan mo din yung mga tumulong sa'yo, no?
I want to thank my family. I can feel the support, guys. I love you all.
Syempre naman, di ba? All right. Here's your question. Do you think the Philippine society as a whole has already attained gender equality? Why or why not? Yet, well, do you think the Philippine society as a whole has already attained gender equality? Why or why not yet?
The Philippines ranked 8th worldwide and it remains the top country in Asia in terms of closing the gender gap. According to the Global Gender Gap Report 2020, however, we still have a long way, but the first step is to pass the SOGI bill. And in the meantime, let's continue to be respectful and practice tolerance and compassion, because I think that the key in equality is accepting and embracing the concept of diversity. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14.
And I will use that opportunity to ask Mr. President to strengthen the education system by promoting teacher empowerment and investing in sustainable, free, and quality education for all of us students during this pandemic. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 18. All right, that concludes the preliminary question and answer in the semi-final round. Once again, palakpakan naman po natin lahat ng ating semi-finalists. Thank you very much for being generous with all your applauses. And right now, let us listen to a message from the father of the municipality, the Honorable Mayor Carlito A. Abadilla II, and we'll also introduce our guest of honor and speaker after he delivers his message.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. At maraming salamat po uli sa inyong pag-imbita sa inyong congressman. Thank you and God bless.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Angelo Marcos Barba. May we request our municipal officials headed by the Honorable Mayor Carlito Abadilla II to please be on stage and award the certificates of appreciation to our guest of honor and speaker, the Honorable Angelo Marcos Barba.
Once again, as we invite all our municipal administrators, our municipal officials, I'll do the honor of reading the citation of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Ilocos Norte, Municipality of Banna, Imnas Banna 2022 awards the Certificate of Appreciation to Honorable Angelo Marcos Barba, 2nd District Representative, Province of Ilocos Norte, in grateful appreciation for his highly esteemed contribution as the guest of honor and speaker for the Imnas Banna 2022 Coronation Night at the Carlito and Abadilla Building, Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall. Given this 9th day of April 2022, signed by Municipal Mayor Honorable Carlito A. Abadilla II. ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our Honorable Mayor and our guest of honor and speaker, Honorable Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. Thank you so much for inspiring us with your words of perseverance, trust, and of course, greatness. Agyaman kami yung unay. Tunay nga naman na hindi lang po tayo babangon, kundi para po sa tuloy-tuloy na progreso dito po sa Ilocos Norte at buong Pilipinas din naman. Maraming salamat. So everyone, Banna, dear friends, syempre, please stay tuned right after these messages. Welcome to the most glamorous part of the competition. The 20 ladies are radiating with their utmost beauty as they are in their most regal stature. Be enchanted with the evening gown competition.
Miss Valenciano. The color silver is associated with meanings of industrial, sleek, high-tech, and modernity, all of which describe the municipality of Banna. Hence, this silver gown takes inspiration from these attributes. Designed by Alexis Montano, this one-sided drape gown was laser-studded with silver glitters and embellished with crystals and off-white matte chalk stones. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Valenciano.
Imnas Banna 2022 ladies are wearing the finest pieces designed by our local designers here in the province. At totoo nga naman, they never fail to amaze us with their creations. Kaya naman, one more time, palakpakan natin sila. Maraming salamat. Well, good job ladies. But of course, we'd like to welcome them back. As of course, in a short while, we will now be revealing our top 5 finalists. Ngayon at nandito po tayo lahat, I'd like to hear it as well from all our guests. Sino kaya ang karapat-dapat na mag-uwi ng Imnas Banna 2022 title? Come on!
Parang wala.
Numero po,
Okay, wala
hindi
na
po
silang
tayo
energy.
ihihiyaw. Okay? Numero. Please give me a number. Go! Wow, isa sa mga pinakamalakas ay 8, 6, 14. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinisigaw ni Kuya.
Parang 22? May
Anong-
22 ba?
Merienda, sabi niya. Okay. Alright, meron ding, ayan, syempre naman, ready din naman. Oh, by the way, aside po pala sa ating mga pinakamamahal na punong barangays. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong napakalaking suporta. Pero syempre din po, isa rin sa mga nag-effort din ang ating SKs, di ba?
Yes,
Mga
thank
sagot
you
ng
so
kabataan.
much.
Mabuhay ang kabataan, mabuhay ang mga
Very
frontliners, at mabuhay ang
starting
bayan ng Banna.
from the candidates practice, the pre-pageant, and now the pageant proper. Mabuhay ang mga SK.
The very
That's right.
supportive SKs.
At mas mabuhay rin naman, of course, kay Honorable Mayor and Honorable Congressman. Yes, everybody. Nako, super thankful kami, no? Alright. And this is it. Now, please do the honor of announcing our first finalist, Joanna.
Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so in no particular order, our first finalist is candidate number 2.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Ladies, to the 6 remaining ladies, inhale, exhale. Sorry, nakalimutan ko na sabihin yung exhale. The last spot is yours. Please welcome our 5th finalist. Candidate number 18. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you this year's Top 5. Congratulations, and once again, good luck, ladies. Well, it's a matter of whether or not you will make an impression with our judges in the final round.
That is right. So, one common question crafted by the chairman of the selection committee will be asked from each of you.
Okay, so may we request our first finalist to come at the center of the stage while our assistants will be putting on the remaining 4 finalists in a soundproof room backstage. Yes.
Okay, because our question will be coming from the chairman of the jury, Sir Arsenio Gallego.
Would you wish that the COVID-19 pandemic never happened? Explain your answer.
COVID-19 happened inevitably, and we didn't expect it to happen. However, we must be willing to let go of the life that we planned and accept the life that is waiting for us. Just make sure that we pray and ask God for guidance and help, because I think this COVID-19 somehow changed us and made us a better person today. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4. O baka naman may gusto kang tanungin.
Good evening, candidate number 18. Okay, so congratulations for making it to the top 5. So, may gusto ko bang sabihin sa mga supporters mo? Thank them.
I would like to thank my designers and makeup artist team at the back kasi hindi ko sila na pasalamatan kanina. And of course, my family and my tita, again, our barangay. And thank you, my friends, you're watching all on that FB Live. Thank you po.
All right. So I think she's your mom. Si parent 3, tita.
Tita.
Parent 3. Okay. Okay. So are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, I am ready.
Very confident.
I believe that everything happens for a reason. Me being here in front of you today, still alive up to this day, although the COVID-19 pandemic struck the country of the Philippines and the whole world, I believe that COVID-19 pandemic have left us many messages and lessons that we will carry up until the generation to the next generations to fulfill. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, candidate number 18, please step forward. Sa dearest ladies, congratulations. As always, ang gagaling naman talaga na silip Agpaiso Apo. Well, you have made your respective barangays proud. And everyone, what do you think? Sino nga ba sa kanila ang nagbigay ng best answer? Yung winning answer, sino kaya? Ano? Lakas kanina tapos yun wala na. Anong numero? Yan. Alright. Pretty convincing kaya.
Wala mga supporters in number 14.
Well, are you convinced that your band will make it or take home the crown? Well, syempre din naman the judges will now finally evaluate and lock in their scores and rankings. Ladies and gentlemen, more than 2 years ago, 5 amazing ladies captured the hearts of all of us and the judges during the Imnas Banna 2019. They clinched the major awards and have become household names. So right now, for the last time as Imnas Banna 2019 winners, let us welcome the 4th runner-up, Ms. Nika Julian Cajonera of Barangay Marcos. Imnas Banna 2019. Let us welcome her with so much grace and love. From Barangay Binakag, Miss Brittany Nicole.
My love for Banna will always be here, and here. Naimbag nga rabi, agyaman na.
Ladies and gentlemen, Imnas Banna 2019, Miss Brittany Nicole Ragindin, together with her princesses. Once again, a big round of applause, and we wish you all the luck and all the best for the Miss Ilocos Norte crown.
Kaya kang labis ko, magandang dilag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the grand champion of Samiwengki Banna Season 13, Mr. Abner Dave Guerrero Manuel. Maraming salamat. All right. And that concludes this year's final look, everybody. And by the way, sa lahat po naman nanonood sa Banna Amphitheater, hello, and here tonight is our very Ilocos Norte second runner-up, hailing from Banna, Miss Ada Stone. Congratulations once again. So, how are you? I'm fine. You're here to support your candidate and syempre magsama-sama rin naman ulit. Nakakamiss na rin talaga, no? Ang old normal.
That's right, Ancher. But before we announce the winners, let us acknowledge the people, individuals, and organizations who have been gracious with their time and resources and whom have helped us make this event a success.
Once again, maraming salamat. A job well done indeed for all the organizers. And of course, tunay rin po nagpapasalamat kayo sa lahat na mga sumuporta, financially, or of course, lahat na po ng effort, hand in hand, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman ang progreso dahil po sa inyong napakalaking suporta. Once again, thank you so much.
At this note, before we will have the results, may we take this chance to award a certificate to our dear judges. Let me read the content. Awards the certificate of appreciation to Arsenio Gallego in grateful appreciation for his highly esteemed contribution as the chair of the Board of Judges in the Imnas Banna 2022 Coronation Night at the Carlito and Abadilla Building, Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, given this 9th day of April 2022. Signed by our Municipal Mayor Carlito A. Abadilla II.
Once again, we would like to invite our judges and of course, ang ating mga municipal officials po. And yes, the presence of our guest of honor and speaker, and as well as the presence of ating po mga pinakamamahal na bukal. And yes, we also have our PTSK President of Ilocos Norte, Honorable Rafael Shua Medina. Alright. Once again, all municipal officials and as well as guest of honor and speaker, ako po bukal. Ako may bukal. Agyaman kami unay, kani Sir Erwin Sugitan, Sir Windel Madis, Ma'am Karen Castillo Sales, Ma'am Loida Dalerita Hanay, and as well as to the chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Arsenio Gallego. Ladies and gentlemen, together with our municipal officials, our provincial board members, once again, let's give a big round of applause to this year's Board of Judges. Napalaos unay, di pa nagyaman ni. God bless everybody. Eto na.
Eto na talaga.
Eto na. This is it. And before we announce the winners, we'd like to call back our top 5 for this year's Imnas Banna. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Ladies, this is it. You have worked so hard and have a wonderful job. But as we all know, there can only be one winner.
And of course, we would just like to remind everybody that the decision of the judges is final and irrevocable, and the organizing committee have the final say in all related matters.
Banna, we begin with our fourth runner-up.
To award our fourth runner-up, for the bouquet, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 fourth runner-up, Julia Nika Gahonera. For the trophy, Sangguniang Bayan member Nelson S. Lucas and Sangguniang Bayan member Johnny Gaya. For the sash, Ms. Loida Dalere Dacanay. And for the crown, Sangguniang Bayan member of Badok, Jonathan Toralba.
Our fourth runner-up is candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8 is Ms. Bumitog, Pearl Jemima Parawan.
Congratulations, everybody. Our fourth runner-up, candidate number 8. Thank you so much to our award presenters.
Next up, we have our third runner-up.
To present the award, for our third runner-up, for the bouquet, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 third runner-up, Glassy Jane Balwiz. For the trophy, Sangguniang Bayan member Francisco Bactat and ABC President Jaime Maximo. For the sash, Mr. Wendell Madis. And for the crown, Sangguniang Bayan member of Batak, MacArthur Aguinaldo.
Our third runner-up is candidate number 12. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up, candidate number 12.
Okay, and now for our second runner-up.
To award the second runner-up for the bouquet, may we have Imnas Banna 2019 second runner-up, Zia Isabel de los Trinos. For the trophy, Sangguniang Bayan member Adonis Manuel. For the sash, Ms. Karen Castillo Sales. And for the crown, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member Dr. Medeldorf Gawat.
Our second runner-up is candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is Ms. Bugasi, Helena Rose Sagudo.
Once again, congratulations, second runner-up, candidate number 2.
Banna, we are now left with two stunning and amazing women. Candidate numbers 18 and 14. Center stage, please. Everybody, I will first announce the winner. Imnas Banna 2022, I'd like to repeat, I will first announce the winner, which means that the one will not be called is the first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. Our new Imnas Banna. Imnas Banna 2022 is candidate number 14!
Candidate number 14 is Ms. Valenciano, Jaden Carissa Agres.
which means our Imnas Banna first runner-up is candidate number 18.
Candidate number 18 is Miss Lorenzo Sheila Joy Mangoma.
Once again, congratulations, our first runner-up, candidate number 18. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, Imnas Banna 2022, candidate number 14! Thank you so much to our award presenters. Once again, a queen has been finally crowned, taking over with all the responsibilities. Thank you so much, Honorable Congressman. Let us now witness the very first walk of our Imnas Banna 2022. Candidate number 14, the stage is yours. Congratulations, candidate number 14, our Imnas Banna 2022 and her princesses. Once again, maraming salamat for everybody for supporting ayan, Imnas Banna and all the endeavors of the municipality of Banna. Tuloy-tuloy lang po natin na ayan, tuloy na lang po tayong magkaisa at magtulungan. Of course, for a better tomorrow. Keep yourself safe.
This has been Joanna.
And this has been Czarina.
And this is Ancher Cua of applause and cheers.
Good night until next Imnas Banna!
You have me, I can't shake, no.